Hello guys, we are in the module Improve Data Quality for a Recruiting App. So in this, we'll be completing the challenge from the first unit, which is create cross-object formulas. So to do this, let's split our screen with the Trailhead playground. So here we'll be creating a cross-object formula for the object review. So to do that, let's go to our setup and object manager. So let's find our object review. Here I'm going to click fields and relationships. Click on new and it's formula. Where is that? Yeah, it's over here. So let's go to our step 2 and let's copy paste our candidate name as field label. Our formula type is going to be text. So let's click on next. So it says go to advanced formula. Okay, we are in the advanced formula. So we're going to copy paste this API names, copy and paste. So these are nothing but the first name of the candidate from the job application, and this is the last name of the candidate from the job application. So this is just the API name. So this let's check our syntax before going further. That's perfect. Click on next. So let's ensure the visible checkbox is checked for all the profiles. So let's click on this and let's go to next and save in new. So we'll be creating another formula for position title. Let's copy our field label, copy and paste, and this formula type is going to be text as well. Let's click on next and let's copy the API name. So what we are pasting is actually position name. So this is going to retrieve the position name from the job application. So once we have pasted that, let's check for any syntax errors and go to next. Again, let's enable the visible checkbox for all the profiles. Once we've done that, let's go ahead and save it. So once we've created both the formulas, which is the candidate name and the position title, let's go to our page layout. Next to the review layout, let's go to edit. Now let's drag a section below the information section. So this is our information section. So let's drag a new section over here. And let's copy paste our section name. And this is going to be 2 column and click OK. So, and here we are going to drag the position title and candidate name. So this is the one which we have just created, right? Once we've done that, let's go ahead and save it. So let's check if you've done everything right in this challenge. And we have completed our challenge. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.